In this video, I'll show you how to create AI projects in Google AI Studio in 2026. Google AI Studio allows you to experiment with Gemini and create projects for different AI-powered tasks. Whether you're working on a chatbot, content generator, coding assistant, or another AI application, starting with a well-organized project can make your workflow much easier. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the main workspace. To begin, look for the option to create a new project or start a new AI development task. Select it and give your project a clear name. Choose a name that makes it easy to understand what the project is about. For example, you could call it Customer Support Assistant, Study Helper, or AI Content Generator. Next, decide which Gemini model or AI capability you want to use. The models available to you may depend on the current Google AI Studio interface, your account, and regional availability. Once your project is created, start by defining its purpose. Write clear instructions explaining what you want the AI to do and how it should respond. For example, if you're creating a study assistant, tell the AI to explain difficult topics in simple language, provide examples, and organize answers clearly. After setting up the initial instructions, test your project with several different prompts. Review each response carefully and check whether the AI follows your instructions. If the output isn't correct, update your instructions and test again. You can also add features gradually instead of trying to build everything at once. Start with the core function, make sure it works, and then add additional capabilities. If your project requires API access, follow the current Google AI Studio and Google Cloud Setup instructions. Keep API keys and other credentials secure at all times. As your project becomes more advanced, organize your prompts, code, and configuration carefully. This will make it easier to maintain and troubleshoot your application. Before sharing the project, test it with realistic examples and check for unexpected behavior.